Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and to Ghoulishments. Today is just a quick tutorial. It's making mini rosettes, and as you saw, it was they're like about 1 inch. So what I'm showing you here is just that I have a piece of paper that is 1/2 inch by 4.5 inches. And then all I'm doing is I'm going through in my mini scoreboard, and I am just scoring like every line possible. I don't even know. What is it, like every 1/8 of an inch, I think it's what it is. And I'm doing that for all 3 strips that I have. And this is from the Hey Pumpkin collection. And so that's all that I did. I took my pieces of paper. Again, they were 1/2 inch by 4.5 inches. And I went ahead and scored it. Once I was done scoring, I went ahead and zigzag fold it, or, like creating like a valley, a mountain, valley, mountain, valley, mountain, if you know the terms. Here I am still finishing my scoring, and as you can see, this is sped up ×2. So this is a really quick tutorial. And then here, this is where I'm showing you how I am folding it. So it's like one direction, then I fold the other direction, and then I keep going until I'm all done. There is a couple of them that I have to cut off, like a little piece that I scored, but it wasn't quite even at the end. So you will see me use my scissors for one of them to do that. And here I am just kind of bending it or folding it at the score line. And then what I like to do is I glue the ends. And see, this is where I'm cutting it, that little extra piece. So I glue the ends. And I'm just using hot glue for this. It's not the best option, but it's what I had available to me. My wet glue wasn't working, so. And then I go ahead and just kind of, just kind of bend it down so I can form the mini rosette. And then I put glue on the circle there. And as you can see, I'm having trouble, like, for whatever reason, this glue that I have has a lot of those little, like, spider webs. I don't know what they're called. But as you can see, I'm having trouble with this one. It's my first one here, and I'm having trouble with it. So then what I do is I just take it off, and I was able to take off the glue. It just came off in one piece, and so that was easy enough. And then I just made sure that it was tight together until the glue kind of hardened. Because if it's not, then, well, you're going to have a wonky rosette. And so here, again, I'm just doing the same thing. I'm just doing the valley, mountain, fold, all of that. And I do want to go ahead and take the time to just kind of apologize for not uploading a video. My husband has been sick for the last 2 days. He's still sick. He sounds horrible. I think he has some kind of sinus infection. He refuses to go to the doctor. So anyways, between that and my daughter, and I don't know, I feel like I'm coming down with something. Hope not, but. So here is my second rosette. And I really, really like how these little mini rosettes came out. I just think they came out so cute. Who doesn't like anything mini, right? Everything mini is just cute and adorable. So this one was a lot easier to do. And as long as you're keeping that rosette tight in the center, like towards the center, it works out pretty good. So here's my third one. And yeah. here's another time that I had a little extra piece, and so go ahead and take that off. Rosettes are really easy to make, in my opinion. I don't know if there's anybody that has like a lot of problems. I think just this part is the part where like I think everyone gets scared, including myself, where you have to like push it down and hold it, and you're like, what am I doing? That's me. So here I am finishing my third one. And I really like how these came out. I did use the gold glitter circles. However, as you will see in my next project, you can't even see the gold circles. So here they are. Thank you so much for watching. Please click on the subscribe button and the